Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to share with you all a magical oil that will help repair your damaged hair follicles and will help increase melanin to restore your original hair color back. This is a simple hair oil recipe that my mom taught me, and since ages she has been using this oil to keep her hair from turning grey and to prevent the hair from falling out or becoming thin. There are pigment cells called melanocytes in your hair follicles which give your hair its color called melanin. You can increase your melanin by changing your lifestyle, eating healthy, avoiding stress, doing regular yoga and giving proper nourishment to your hair. So this oil can give the right nourishment to your hair follicles and can reverse premature hair graying. So the first thing that you need is 2 tablespoons of amla powder. So here I am using the natural dried amla. Grind the dried amla in a mixer. Amla keeps the hair follicle strong and nourishes the hair from the roots, and it can also reverse grey hair to its natural state if used on a regular basis. The next ingredient that you need is jatamansi. Just roughly grind 3 tablespoons of it. It's a powerful Ayurvedic herb, penetrates deep in the follicle. It makes the hair root and strands stronger, promotes hair growth and helps in darkening hair from the roots. The next thing that you need is hibiscus powder. So take around 2 tablespoons of hibiscus powder. If you're suffering from weak roots and porous hair, then hibiscus can be the most ideal ingredient. It strengthens hair follicles, prevents hair graying and also reduces hair breakage. The next thing that you need is coconut oil. Coconut oil goes deep into the scalp and binds the protein of your hair. Coconut oil has some great restorative properties that prevent hair growing grey, and it also makes healthier, shinier and much stronger. So you need this kind of glass jar to store the oil. Take 1 cup of coconut oil and slightly heat the oil. It should be hot but not boiling. Pour this oil into the glass jar. Then add amla powder, jatamansi powder, hibiscus powder. Mix it really well and close the jar lid. You can store the oil for up to a month. Turn the jar bottle upside down and let the herbal oils infused in sunlight for 4 days. This will help release the herbal constituents into the oil. Before using, make sure to shake the jar. Take enough quantity of this oil into a bowl. Then slightly warm the oil and massage your scalp and hair thoroughly. Let it sit for a day or overnight and then rinse off with a mild shampoo. Use this twice in a week. This hair oil will help you regain your glossy black tresses and will make your hair grow thick and long. Using it on a regular basis will help improve the melanin in your hair, thus helping in reversing premature hair graying. And it also promotes hair growth. So try this oil for 45 days and share your results with me. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye.